Hey there, everyone. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you a simple tutorial on how to access and make the most of our comprehensive 81,000 active Germany email list. You can easily download it from our store. To get started, visit payhip.com/socialexperts1. I'll also include the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, you can browse and select the email package that best suits your needs. This particular package includes 81,000 active German consumer emails. These contacts represent a general audience and aren't divided into specific categories. My recommendation is to kick off your campaign by sending bulk emails, then analyze the results to better understand your target audience. From there, you can fine-tune your approach to focus on a more specific group that matches your product or service. These leads are collected through social media ad subscriptions on platforms like Meta and Instagram, as well as other cold collection methods. Connecting with an active and engaged consumer base is key to your marketing success. Here's the best part. All of our email lists are regularly cleaned and verified for accuracy, ensuring a bounce rate of less than 4%. That's all for today. If you have any questions or need extra help, feel free to reach out to me. My email is included in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and happy marketing.